Age left out rope and racing. All in front is second by Senorita. From the outside, DG. Moving up now, our solemn prayer. Then followed by Hold That Fantasy, Sweet Carla. Maybe soon and Sweet Embrace is running in the tail of the fielder. Going along for the first turn, Senorita leads by some two over DG. Our solemn prayer, moving up on the outside third, three lengths back now, Hold That Fantasy, then followed by Sweet Embrace, alongside Maybe Soon and Sweet Carla. Into the back they travel, it is still Senorita DG, Our Solemn Prayer, moving up on the outside, 5 lengths away, Hold That Fantasy, Sweet Embrace, Maybe Soon and Sweet Carla. Inside the last 600, DG. Around the outside, Our Solemn Prayer. Running in third, Senorita. Hold That Fantasy. Moving up on the outside. Inside the last 400, it's now Our Solemn Prayer, followed by DG. And on the outside, third now, Hold That Fantasy. Sweet Embrace, Senorita. Maybe sooner. Towards the final turn. It is still Our Solemn Prayer. Leads by some 5 lengths now. Followed by Hold That Fantasy in second. Sweet Embrace running by the wheels DG. And finally Our Solemn Prayer. Followed by Hold That Fantasy, Sweet Embrace, DG, Senorita, Maybe Soon, and Sweet Carla comes in last.